Jahan, you definitely know this symbol. This, yes, exactly you think that is. This is a chat GPT. Okay, so I am going to start a new playlist on my YouTube channel that is on how to operate chat GPT. In this 21st century, this makes revolution in this world. Okay, and you are the first generation that are using this type of service. So coming in this slide, I want to visit you on my browser that basically a Wikipedia of ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to read some line. Okay, that is ChatGPT is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot. Okay, developed by OpenAI and launched in 2022. We know that OpenAI founder is not other there. That is a brilliant person. That is a thing. Who is this? Sam Altman. Okay. So you say that Sam Altman is a father of ChatGPT. Okay. These persons create a history in 21st century. I think whenever history is written, okay, then this person is called as the new father of this age, okay, that totally turn the life of a person, okay, and it was a large language model, okay, based on basically a large language model such as GPT 4.0 as well as other multimodal models to create human like a response in a text, a speech, and images. In a starting ChatGPT, not able to create an image, but at this time, after the launching, I think 2 year completed. Okay, then ChatGPT are wide area. Okay, here ChatGPT understand your text, create on a speech, create image on your given prompt. Okay, so many things assembled in a ChatGPT. Okay, so in recent improvement in India also work on create on AI platform, ChatGPT like a platform. Okay, so the Indian minister sometime before uh, connect with some altman. Okay, to share some info how to create a ChatGPT like platform. Okay, so India is going to create on ChatGPT that name is generative AI. Okay, so see this initial release in 30th November 2022. Okay, a stable release 56 day ago. Okay, the stable release GPT 4.0. Okay, in initial time ChatGPT release with name ChatGPT search. Okay, and website is chatgpt.com. Okay, I think many all I think all browsing platform release on ChatGPT like Microsoft launch Copilot, okay, जैसे Google launch Gemini, Brave launch Leo, okay, so most of company launching your on ChatGPT, okay. So this is a very short introduction of ChatGPT. So first of all, I need to visit my slide. This contain very information, very important information. Basically, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. Basically, okay, you know everything. What is chatbot? Chatbot is basically a small tool that attach with your devices and get your answer as per your requirement. Like you think, I think chatbot is a common at this time, but ChatGPT is not a small chatbot. It is a very large chatbot. Okay, basically ChatGPT has large set of data set. Okay, so in race of AI, ChatGPT is number one. In this time, DeepSeek AI came, but this is not a direct opponent of ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is a very big. Okay, ChatGPT based on GPT, full form generative pre-trained means he already trained. Okay, and transformer, matlab change in own language. Okay, this ChatGPT trained on billions of sentences from books, websites, and the internet. It can write essay, story, email code, and more. Acts like a smart assistant. In this playlist, we learn too much things like how to write a prompt, okay, how to generate image, how to ChatGPT help in coding, in DevOps engineering, in research purpose, in data analytics. Too much things uh, include in this lecture. Okay, so how it works? The basic all-time favorite question of all the person that is think how to use uh, ChatGPT. So generative means it creates answer. Okay, it means whenever you ask any question, okay, then it create an answer. Okay, pre-trained means he already trained about that answer. Okay, पहले से internet data पे trained. Okay, transformer means it is a special steps of neural network structure. Okay, like a human also have a neuron. Okay, neuron, one neuron is connected with another neuron. Okay, with dendrites. Okay, dendrites, I think I'm not pronounce correctly that word, but one neuron connected with another neuron. In our mind, millions of neurons are present that's help in our data transfer. Okay, in electrical at the same time, here transformer work. Okay, it is a special steps of man-made neuron works like what works like. Understand your question. It means when you write any questions, ask any question, then first of all it understand what is this question. Okay, then predict the next best word. Okay, it means whenever any person asks you a question or any synonyms of that word, then first of all we need to think. But here ChatGPT predict. Okay, repeat until full answer is ready. In the next point, if you do not satisfy with the answer, then we ask the ChatGPT improve this answer, this answer, continue until you get or satisfy with answer. Okay. So in this lecture, that's all. In next lecture, we are going to visit the ChatGPT websites and login and proceed in next lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.